I'm out here enjoying my coffee. I got a pretty long day today. Lots of meetings at work. Gonna have to go into the city, come back to the suburbs. So I need a dinner that is pretty quick to put together when I get home later on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prep and make delicious and easy grilled barbecue chicken. I'm gonna throw some barbecue sauce on it, and I'll show you how to make this right now. All right, the first step is the marinade. You can do this before work. You can do this the night before, whatever you want, but it's really simple. Pickle juice, buttermilk, and some hot sauce. I'm using the hot sauce I made from my Tabasco peppers. It's a fermented sauce. Maybe during the summer when I get a new crop, I will make a video on how to make this hot sauce. It came out so good, but you're going to go ahead and throw all three of those into a plastic bag, throw your chicken in, leave it, shake it up, leave it in the fridge for at least a couple hours, preferably 8 hours, preferably overnight. And then when you get home from work, you take it out, and this is the spice mix. I use some paprika for some color. It's really the flavor of paprika. It doesn't do a whole lot. It's not going to be spicy. Annatto I put in for a little bit of a kick, but I don't use too much of it, so not going to do some damage to, if you have young ones, they won't even notice it. Rosemary, anytime I got chicken or turkey, I like to use some rosemary. Obviously some salt and garlic, just the basics. Oregano, again, for chicken, it comes out great. Onion powder, and then these are a little bit special that I have, but you can find them. I got unami mushroom, and I got mandarin black tea blend. I'm just going to put a little bit in just to give it a little umami flavor. All right, now we got our chicken seasoned up. We're going to season it and make sure we liberally put this stuff everywhere. We want to let it sit for a little while before we flip it. We want to make sure that the seasoning can stick. So I left this here for a little bit, and then I went ahead and flipped it. That way the seasoning all sticks on. And once you flip it, just go ahead and start seasoning it again. It's the same process that you did on the front. Throw that seasoning on it, and then let's get it out to a hot grill. This grill was at 350, but it's going to continue to warm up as we cook. I'm going to try to get it to about 500 for this sear, but go ahead and get the chicken on. When you grill food, not barbecue, but when you're grilling over a live flame, you want to have a cool zone without charcoal and a hot zone. This allows you to get the char and get the chicken to cook fast on one side, but once you start to get that char, you're going to move it over to the cool zone, and it's just going to bake. This way the inside can get nice and cooked without burning the outside more than that char. So you want a little bit of char, but you obviously don't want a ton of burnt. So once it's about ready, once it hits about 150 or so, we want to start painting on that barbecue sauce. So I used Buffalo Wild Wings honey barbecue sauce. You can get any barbecue sauce out of a can. You can make your own. I have some videos. When I'm not as lazy, I'll make my own barbecue sauce, but today was a busy day, so I just use the stuff from the can. It's just as good. Paint it on, let it stick for a little while, and then you're left with this juicy, perfectly cooked on the inside, perfectly flavorful on the outside chicken. Guys, if you like quick and easy recipes like this, if you like barbecue recipes, subscribe, like, and do all those things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.